Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. So this right here is a set that honestly I have wanted for a long time, but just couldn't bring myself to pull the trigger on the incredibly expensive price point that it's usually at. But thanks to Boston Brick Co., this set was not only priced really well, but I also got 20% off. So thank you so much for doing that. And I probably would never have owned the set without actually finding it for so cheap compared to Bricklink, so I'm very happy to own this. This is pretty much one of the only Maersk styles of train sets that we ever got. This one actually was one of the more modern sets, so the building techniques are actually quite good on this set in particular. And I'm so happy to be able to add this to my collection. I really ought to start collecting more LEGO trains. Oh no, what have I done? Now I'm gonna have to collect all the older LEGO trains. But anyways, we have set number 10219 here. This is the Maersk train set. It has a truck that actually transports the Maersk cargo containers, which is nice to see as well. And I love the special recolor for the hats here for the minifigures in the Maersk blue color. That's really special, but this truck is pretty much the most basic part of the set, but it is still a nice build. You can basically lift the containers off of the platform here, so you can just pick them up and put them onto the trains. The way the train cars are set up is that, like, let's say you've got a train car right here. Let's get the minifigure out of the way first. And you can either have the one cargo container in the center, or you can lift it up and place multiple cargo containers on one car like so. So right here, you can see that I've fit 2 of the same cargo container build right here. Let's just kind of get this fully aligned up. I think what I need to do actually is get the flat portions of the container here so they're not actually conflicting with each other. And right there, yeah. So here you can see you have a full double stack train compartment, so that is nice to see. They actually do include some extra bricks in the center there if you want to raise them up as a platform, so it's not kind of awkwardly dangling over the gap there. So you can set it up in this kind of configuration, which is very realistic. This could look really good going around the LEGO city, or you can go around this also equally realistic setup here, which has a container set a little bit lower down, like on the base right here. But the real special part about this is, of course, the train engine. This is a really well done train engine. I am no train expert, but I just really like how it looks, how realistic it is, and the unique color scheme, which is not something we've really ever seen on train sets before. Now, what's really cool is that you can actually remove these side panels here to take a look at the inside of the engine. Let me try to kind of get this open here. It's a little bit tight, but as you can see, removing that allows for a full-on look at the engine detailing on the inside. This is just a really great attention to detail that they don't usually do with train sets. So I am very happy to have this. To be honest, really the only complaint were that whoever owned this previously did not do a good job of putting these stickers on. There's honestly a lot of dirt behind the stickers, which I'm not too happy with, but it definitely isn't the store's fault. It's just whoever previously owned the set. This set also relies on a ton of stickers across multiple pieces. As you can see right here, this is a massive stamp, so LEGO would not have done that today, but as it is right now, you can see this is the way it's set up. If you don't look at it too closely, the stickers do not look too bad. It's only when you really inspect it up close you can really notice that these stickers are just really not placed on straight, but that maybe is just something bugging me slightly, and it's not a huge deal. Otherwise though, I am so happy to be able to finally own this set. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon.